WordPress, a step-by-step beginner's guide. Written by Phil Gilbert. Narrated by Kevin Brooker. 1. Introduction. WordPress is a widely used content management system, or CMS, that has been empowering millions of websites since its launch in 2003. Initially created as a blogging platform, WordPress has grown into a comprehensive tool suitable for a variety of web projects, ranging from personal blogs and small business websites to large-scale e-commerce platforms and corporate sites. One of the standout features of WordPress is its user-friendly interface. The dashboard is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for those with limited technical expertise. Additionally, WordPress offers a vast selection of themes and plugins, which enable users to customize the look and functionality of their websites without needing to write any code. These themes and plugins cater to a wide range of needs, from enhancing visual appeal to adding complex functionalities. WordPress is also designed with search engine optimization, or SEO, in mind. It provides numerous tools and plugins to help improve a site's visibility on search engines, which is crucial for attracting and retaining visitors. The platform benefits from an active and supportive community of developers, designers, and users who contribute to forums, create documentation, and share tutorials, ensuring that help is readily available. As an open source platform, WordPress is free to use and can be modified and extended by anyone. This open source nature has fostered a collaborative environment where continuous improvements and innovations are made by the global community. Setting up a WordPress site involves several steps. First, you need to choose a hosting provider, many of which offer one-click WordPress installations. After selecting a host, you can install WordPress either by downloading the software and uploading it to your hosting account, or using the one-click installer. Once installed, you can choose a theme that dictates the design and layout of your site. With many free and premium themes available, you can find one that suits your needs. To extend your site's functionality, you can install plugins, which are tools that add specific features such as contact forms, SEO enhancements, e-commerce capabilities, and more. With your site set up, you can start creating content by adding pages and posts using WordPress's editor, which allows you to format text, add images, embed videos, and more. Further customization can be achieved by adjusting settings, adding widgets, and refining the design. Once you're satisfied with your site, you can launch it and share it with the world. Using WordPress offers several advantages. It is flexible and scalable, capable of handling sites of all sizes, from small personal blogs to large enterprise websites. With regular updates and a variety of security plugins, WordPress can be highly secure. The platform is also cost-effective, with the core software being free and many themes and plugins available at little to no cost. Built-in features and plugins enhance SEO capabilities, improving search engine rankings. Many themes are designed to be responsive, ensuring that your site looks good on all devices. 2. Getting started with WordPress. WordPress is an accessible and powerful platform for building websites, whether you're creating a personal blog, a business site, or an online store. Understanding the basics. WordPress is a versatile and user-friendly content management system, or CMS, that powers a significant portion of the internet. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with web development, understanding the basics of WordPress will help you create and manage a website effectively. What is WordPress? WordPress is an open-source CMS that allows users to create, manage, and publish content on the web. It was originally designed as a blogging platform, but has evolved to support a wide range of website types, including business sites, e-commerce stores, portfolios, and more. WordPress.com versus WordPress.org. There are two versions of WordPress, WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com is a hosted service that takes care of all the technical aspects, including hosting and maintenance, but offers limited customization options unless you choose a paid plan. WordPress.org is the self-hosted version, which requires you to arrange your own hosting but gives you complete control over your site's design and functionality. This version is preferred by those who want greater flexibility and customization. Key components of WordPress. 1. Dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the control center of your site. From here, you can manage content, install themes and plugins, and adjust settings. The dashboard is designed to be intuitive, even for those with little technical experience. 2. Themes. Themes determine the look and feel of your website. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes that you can customize to match your brand or personal style. Themes control the layout, color scheme, typography, and other visual elements of your site. 3. Plugins. Plugins are add-ons that extend the functionality of your WordPress site. There are plugins for almost every feature you can imagine, from SEO tools and social media integrations to e-commerce solutions and security enhancements. Installing and activating plugins can be done directly from the WordPress dashboard. 4. Pages and posts. Content in WordPress is primarily managed through pages and posts. Pages are used for static content, such as your homepage, about page, and contact page. Posts are used for dynamic content, typically blog entries or news updates. Both can be organized using categories and tags, making it easy for visitors to find related content. 5. Widgets. Widgets are small blocks that add content and features to your sidebars, footers, and other widget-ready areas of your site. Common widgets include search bars, recent posts, social media links, and calendars. 6. Menus. Menus help visitors navigate your site. You can create custom menus in WordPress to include links to pages, posts, categories, and external URLs. Menus can be placed in various locations, such as the header, footer, or sidebar, depending on your theme. Setting up your first WordPress site. 1. Install WordPress. If you're using WordPress.org, you'll need to install the software on your chosen hosting provider. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installations, making this process straightforward. 2. Choose a theme. After installation, select a theme that suits your needs. You can browse and install themes directly from the WordPress dashboard under the Appearance menu. 3. Install plugins. Enhance your site's functionality by installing plugins. Navigate to the Plugins menu in the dashboard. Search for desired plugins and install them with a few clicks. 4. Create content. Start by creating essential pages like your homepage, about page, and contact page. Then, add posts if you plan to have a blog section. Use the built-in editor to format text, add images, and embed videos. 5. Customize your site. Adjust settings, menus, and widgets to personalize your site. Many themes come with customization options that allow you to tweak colors, fonts, and layouts without needing to write code. 6. Launch your site. Once you're satisfied with the setup, review your site to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Then, publish your site and start sharing it with the world. Understanding these basics will give you a solid foundation for building and managing your WordPress website. As you become more comfortable with the platform, you can explore advanced features and customizations to further enhance your site. Hosting and domain names. To create a WordPress website, you'll need both a hosting provider and a domain name. Hosting providers store your website's files and make them accessible on the internet. There are various types of hosting services available, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and managed WordPress hosting. Shared hosting is the most affordable and is suitable for small to medium-sized websites. VPS hosting offers more resources and control, making it ideal for growing websites with higher traffic. Dedicated hosting provides a server exclusively for your site, offering maximum performance and control, which is suitable for larger websites with high traffic. Managed WordPress hosting specifically optimizes the server environment for WordPress, offering enhanced performance, security, and support tailored to WordPress sites. When choosing a hosting provider, consider factors such as uptime reliability, speed, customer support, and scalability. Popular hosting providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine, all of which offer WordPress-specific plans that simplify the setup process. A domain name is your website's address on the internet, such as example.com. It is essential to choose a domain name that is easy to remember, relevant to your content, and reflective of your brand. Domain names are registered through domain registrars like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Many hosting providers also offer domain registration services, allowing you to manage both hosting and your domain in one place. When selecting a domain name, keep it short, avoid using numbers or hyphens, and choose a .com extension if possible, as it is the most recognized and trusted. Once you have registered your domain, you need to point it to your hosting provider's servers, a process usually managed through your domain registrar's control panel. Setting up hosting and a domain name involves a few steps. First, sign up for a hosting plan and follow the provider's instructions to install WordPress. This often involves a one-click installation process. Next, register your domain name if you haven't already. If you registered your domain through your hosting provider, it would automatically be configured to point to your website. If you use a different registrar, you would need to update the domain's DNS settings to point to your hosting provider's servers. Proper hosting and a well-chosen domain name are foundational elements of a successful WordPress site. They ensure that your website is accessible, performs well, and is easy for visitors to find and remember. Installing WordPress. Installing WordPress can be done in a few simple steps, whether you use a one-click installer provided by your hosting service or opt for a manual installation. Using a one-click installer. Start by choosing a hosting provider and signing up for a plan that fits your needs. Popular providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine offer dedicated WordPress hosting plans with one-click installation options. Once signed up, log into your hosting account and navigate to the control panel, often referred to as cPanel. Look for the one-click installer, which might be labeled as WordPress, Softaculous, or something similar. Click on the WordPress installer and follow the on-screen instructions, entering basic information such as your site's name, admin username, password, and email address. After entering the required information, initiate the installation. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message with details on how to log in to your new WordPress site. Manual installation. For those who prefer a manual installation, or if your hosting provider does not offer a one-click installer, begin by downloading the latest version of WordPress from the official WordPress website, WordPress.org. Next, use an FTP client like FileZilla to connect to your web server and upload the extracted WordPress files to the root directory of your hosting account, typically named public_HTML or www. After uploading the files, log into your hosting control panel and navigate to the database section, often labeled as MySQL databases. Create a new database and a database user. Then assign the user to the database with full privileges. Note the database name, username, and password for use during the installation process. In your web browser, navigate to your domain name, which will automatically trigger the WordPress installation process. Choose your preferred language and continue. Enter the database name, username, and password created earlier, usually with localhost as the database host. Submit the information and run the installation. Fill in the site title, admin username, password, and email address. Ensure the username and password are strong to enhance security. Complete the installation and log into your new WordPress site using the admin credentials created. Post-installation steps. After installing WordPress, log into the admin dashboard by navigating to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your admin credentials. Choose a theme that suits your website's purpose by going to Appearance and then Themes and browsing available options. Install and activate your chosen theme with just a few clicks. Enhance your site's functionality by installing plugins, which can be found by navigating to Plugins and then Add New, and searching for the ones you need, such as SEO tools, contact forms, and security plugins. Adjust your site's settings by going to Settings in the dashboard and customizing general settings, permalinks, and other options to fit your needs. Finally, start adding pages and posts to your site by navigating to Pages and then Add New, or Posts and then Add New to create content. By following these steps, you can successfully install WordPress and begin building your website. Whether you use a one-click installer or opt for a manual installation, WordPress provides a robust platform for creating and managing your online presence. 3. Navigating the WordPress dashboard. The WordPress dashboard is the control center for your website, providing all the tools you need to create, manage, and customize your site. Understanding its layout and features is essential for efficient site management. The dashboard home. Upon logging into your WordPress site, you'll land on the dashboard home screen. This area gives you an overview of your site's activity, including recent posts, comments, and updates. Overview of the dashboard. You can also find quick links to common actions like writing a new post, uploading media, and managing comments. The Admin menu. On the left side of the dashboard, you'll find the Admin menu, which contains links to all the different sections of your site. Here's a brief overview of the key sections. Posts. This section is where you create and manage blog posts. You can add new posts, edit existing ones, and organize them into categories and tags. Media. The media library houses all the files you've uploaded, such as images, videos, and documents. You can add new media, edit file details, and insert media into posts and pages. Pages. Pages are used for static content like your homepage, about page, and contact page. You can add and edit pages similarly to posts. Comments. This area allows you to manage user comments on your posts and pages. You can approve, delete, or reply to comments from this section. Appearance. The Appearance section lets you customize the look and feel of your site. Here you can choose and customize themes, manage widgets, create custom menus, and access the theme editor. Plugins. Plugins extend the functionality of your WordPress site. In this section, you can install new plugins, manage existing ones, and activate or deactivate plugins as needed. Users. Manage the users of your site, including adding new users, editing profiles, and assigning roles and permissions. Tools. The Tools section includes import and export options, site health information, and other utilities. Settings. Customize your site's settings, including general, writing, reading, discussion, media, and permalinks settings. This section allows you to configure how your site behaves and displays content. Quick draft and activity widgets. The dashboard home screen also includes several widgets that provide at-a-glance information and quick access to common tasks. The Quick Draft widget allows you to jot down ideas for new posts without navigating to the full editor. The Activity widget shows recent posts, comments, and other activities, giving you a snapshot of what's happening on your site. Screen options and help. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the Screen Options and Help tabs. Screen options let you customize the layout of the dashboard, choosing which widgets and elements to display. The Help tab provides contextual assistance for the current screen, offering links to relevant documentation and support resources. Customizing the dashboard. You can personalize the dashboard to better suit your workflow. Use the Screen Options tab to show or hide specific widgets and drag and drop widgets to rearrange them. Many themes and plugins also add their own sections to the admin menu and dashboard, providing additional customization and management options. Understanding and navigating the WordPress dashboard is key to efficiently managing your site. With its intuitive layout and powerful features, the dashboard makes it easy to create, customize, and control your website, whether you're a beginner or an experienced user. Key features and functions. WordPress offers a plethora of key features and functions that empower users to create, manage, and customize their websites effectively. Some of the notable features include themes. WordPress provides a vast library of themes that enable users to change the appearance and layout of their websites effortlessly. Themes range from simple designs to complex, feature-rich templates catering to various needs and preferences. Plugins. With over 58,000 plugins available in the WordPress plugin directory, users can extend the functionality of their websites with ease. Plugins cover a wide range of purposes, including SEO optimization, e-commerce capabilities, social media integration, security enhancements, and more. Editor. WordPress offers a powerful block-based editor known as the Gutenberg editor. This intuitive interface allows users to create rich, engaging content using blocks for text, images, videos, galleries, and more. Users can customize layouts, styles, and settings to suit their content needs. Media management. WordPress includes a robust media library where users can upload, organize, and manage their images, videos, and other multimedia files. The media library supports various file types and provides options for editing, resizing, and embedding media into posts and pages. User management. WordPress allows site owners to manage user roles and permissions effectively. Administrators can assign specific roles to users such as editors, authors, contributors, and subscribers, controlling their access to content creation and site administration features. SEO tools. WordPress is built with search engine optimization in mind, or SEO, offering built-in features and plugins to help improve website visibility and rankings on search engines. Users can optimize content, meta tags, permalinks, and more to enhance their site's SEO performance. Customization options. WordPress provides extensive customization options that allow users to tailor their websites to their specific needs and preferences. From customizing themes and layouts to adding widgets, menus, and sidebars, users have full control over the look and feel of their sites. Responsive design. Many WordPress themes are designed to be responsive, ensuring that websites look and perform well on various devices, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. This mobile-friendly approach enhances user experience and accessibility. Multilingual support. WordPress offers multilingual support through plugins like WPML and Polylang, enabling users to create multilingual websites with ease. This feature is beneficial for reaching a global audience and expanding the site's reach. Community and support. With a vibrant community of users, developers, designers, and contributors, WordPress provides extensive support resources, including forums, documentation, tutorials, and online communities. Users can seek help, share knowledge, and collaborate with others to solve problems and improve their WordPress experience. Customizing your dashboard. Customizing your WordPress dashboard allows you to tailor the user interface to your specific needs and preferences, making it more efficient and enjoyable to work with. Here are some ways you can customize your dashboard. Screen options. At the top right corner of your dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Screen Options. Clicking on it reveals a drop-down menu that allows you to show or hide specific widgets and elements on the dashboard screen. This feature lets you declutter the dashboard and focus on the information and tools that are most relevant to you. Widgets. The dashboard supports various widgets that provide at-a-glance information and quick access to common tasks. You can customize the widgets displayed on the dashboard by clicking and dragging them to rearrange their positions, or clicking the arrow icon to expand or collapse them. Some common dashboard widgets include Quick Draft for drafting new posts, Activity for monitoring recent site activity, and WordPress News for staying updated on the latest WordPress developments. Admin menu. The admin menu on the left side of the dashboard contains links to different sections of your website, such as posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. You can collapse or expand the menu by clicking the collapse or expand arrow icon at the bottom of the menu. Additionally, some themes and plugins may add their own menu items to the admin menu, providing additional customization options and functionality. Dashboard themes. WordPress allows you to change the overall look and feel of the dashboard by installing dashboard themes or admin themes. These themes can modify the color scheme, typography, layout, and other design elements of the dashboard interface, providing a personalized and visually appealing experience. You can find dashboard themes in the WordPress theme directory or from third-party sources. Dashboard plugins. There are plugins available that extend the functionality of the dashboard and provide additional customization options. For example, you can install a dashboard widget plugin to add new widgets to the dashboard, a custom admin bar plugin to modify the WordPress admin bar, or a dashboard customization plugin to tweak various aspects of the dashboard interface. Explore the WordPress plugin directory to find plugins that suit your needs. By customizing your WordPress dashboard, you can create a workspace that fits your workflow and enhances your productivity. Whether you prefer a minimalist dashboard with only essential widgets or a feature-rich dashboard with advanced tools and customization options, WordPress provides the flexibility to tailor the dashboard to your liking. 4. Setting up your WordPress site. Setting up your WordPress site involves several key steps to ensure it's properly configured and ready for use. Choosing and installing a theme. Selecting and installing a theme is an important step in setting up your WordPress site. Here's how to do it. Choosing a theme. Browse through the extensive collection of free and premium themes available in the WordPress theme directory or from third-party theme marketplaces. Consider factors such as design, features, responsiveness, compatibility with plugins, and user reviews when selecting a theme that best suits your site's purpose and aesthetic preferences. Installing a theme. Once you've chosen a theme, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Appearance and then Themes and click on the Add New button. From here, you can search for the theme by name or keyword, or upload a theme file if you've purchased a premium theme. Once you've found your desired theme, click the Install button and then Activate to make it active on your website. Customizing your theme. After activating your theme, you can customize its appearance and settings to align with your brand and preferences. Depending on the theme, customization options may include changing colors, fonts, layouts, header and footer settings, and more. Navigate to Appearance and then Customize to access the theme customizer and make adjustments in real time. Additionally, some themes may come with their own customization panels or options within the dashboard. By choosing and installing a theme that reflects your site's identity and purpose, you can create a visually appealing and functional WordPress site that engages your audience effectively. Customizing your theme. Customizing your theme is a crucial step in making your WordPress site stand out and align with your brand or vision. Here's how to personalize your theme. Customizing appearance. Access the theme customization options by navigating to Appearance, then Customize in your WordPress dashboard. From here, you can modify various aspects of your site's appearance, including colors, fonts, backgrounds, and more. Many themes offer a live preview feature, allowing you to see changes in real time before applying them. Customizing header and footer. Depending on your theme, you may have options to customize the header and footer sections of your site. This can include adding a logo, adjusting menu layouts, adding widgets, or changing the background color or image. Look for customization settings specific to these areas within the Theme Customizer or Theme Options panel. Customizing a layout. Some themes provide options to customize the layout of your site, such as the number and placement of sidebars, the width of the content area, or the arrangement of elements on the page. Explore the theme customization options or check if the theme supports drag-and-drop page builders for more advanced layout customization. Adding widgets. Widgets are small blocks of content or functionality that can be added to various areas of your site, such as sidebars, footers, or widgetized areas. Use the Widgets section in the WordPress dashboard to add widgets to your chosen widget areas and customize their settings as needed. Customizing menus. Create and customize menus to improve navigation and organization on your site. Navigate to Appearance and then Menus to create new menus, add menu items, rearrange their order, and assign menus to specific locations on your site, such as the primary navigation menu or footer menu. Adding custom CSS. For advanced users, adding custom CSS code can allow for more granular control over the appearance of your site. Many themes provide options to add custom CSS directly within the Theme Customizer or Theme Options panel. Alternatively, you can use a custom CSS plugin or child theme to add your custom styles safely. By customizing your theme to your liking, you can create a unique and visually appealing WordPress site that effectively communicates your brand, message, or content. Experiment with different customization options and settings until you achieve the desired look and feel for your site. Setting up menus and navigation. Setting up menus and navigation on your WordPress site is essential for guiding visitors through your content effectively. Here's how to do it. Creating a menu. Start by navigating to Appearance and then Menus in your WordPress dashboard. If you haven't created a menu yet, click on the Create a New Menu link. Give your menu a name such as Main Menu or Primary Navigation and click the Create Menu button. Adding menu items. Once your menu is created, you can start adding menu items. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of available content types you can add to your menu, including pages, posts, custom links, categories, and tags. Check the boxes next to the items you want to add and click the Add to Menu button. Organizing menu items. After adding menu items, you can arrange them by dragging and dropping them into the desired order. You can create sub-menus by indenting items below others. Sub-menus are useful for organizing drop-down menus and hierarchical navigation structures. Customizing menu settings. Each menu item can be customized with additional settings. Click on the arrow icon next to a menu item to reveal its options. Here, you can edit the navigation label, the text that appears in the menu, add a little attribute, optional tooltip text, link to a specific page or URL, and set the item as a custom link or a category link. Assigning menus to locations. Depending on your theme, you may have multiple menu locations available, such as the primary menu, secondary menu, footer menu, etc. Select the desired menu locations from the Menu Settings section on the left side of the menu editor. These locations are defined by your theme and may vary depending on the theme you're using. Saving and publishing. Once you've configured your menu to your liking, click the Save Menu button to save your changes. If you're ready for the menu to appear on your site, click the Publish button to make it live. If you're not ready to publish yet, you can save the menu as a draft and come back to it later. Previewing your menu. You can preview how your menu will look on your site by clicking the Preview button at the top of the menu editor. This allows you to see how the menu interacts with your theme and make any necessary adjustments before publishing. By setting up menus and navigation effectively, you can improve the user experience on your WordPress site and help visitors find the content they're looking for quickly and easily. Experiment with different menu structures and arrangements to create a navigation system that works best for your site's content and organization. 5. Creating content. Creating content is the heart of your WordPress site, whether it's blog posts, pages, or multimedia. Posts versus pages. Understanding the difference between posts and pages is essential for organizing and presenting content effectively on your WordPress site. Here's a breakdown. Posts. Posts are dynamic content entries that are typically displayed in reverse chronological order on your site's blog page. They are often used for time-sensitive content such as news updates, articles, blog posts, or any content that you want to regularly add to and update. Posts are organized using categories and tags, allowing visitors to navigate and filter content based on topics or themes. They encourage interaction through comments, allowing readers to engage with the content and each other. Posts are suitable for content that you want to share with your audience on a regular basis and may include features like author bylines, publication dates, and social sharing buttons. Pages. Pages are static, standalone content that provide permanent information or serve as structural elements of your site. They are typically used for timeless content such as About Us, Contact, Services, Portfolio, or any content that doesn't change frequently. Pages are hierarchical and can be organized into parent and child pages to create a logical site structure and navigation. They do not support categories or tags and are not included in the main blog feed by default. Pages are ideal for essential site content that you want visitors to access easily from the main navigation menu or other prominent areas of your site. In summary, posts are dynamic, time-sensitive content entries that are displayed in reverse chronological order on your site's blog page, while pages are static, standalone content that provide permanent information or serve as structural elements of your site. Understanding the distinction between posts and pages will help you organize and present your content effectively to your audience. Writing and editing posts. Writing and editing posts in WordPress is straightforward. Here's how to do it. Writing a new post. 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard. 2. Navigate to Posts and then Add New. 3. Enter a title for your post in the title field. 4. Write your content in the main editor area. You can format text, add images, embed videos, and more using the toolbar options. 5. Use categories and tags to organize your post and make it easier for readers to find. 6. Preview your post to see how it will look on your site. 7. When you're satisfied, click the Publish button to make your post live. Editing an existing post. 1. Navigate to Posts in your WordPress dashboard. 2. Find the post you want to edit and click on its title to open it. 3. Make your changes in the editor area. 4. Preview your changes and ensure everything looks as intended. 5. Click the Update button to save your changes. Using the Gutenberg editor. WordPress introduced the Gutenberg editor, which uses a block-based approach to content creation. Here are some key features. Blocks. Content elements like paragraphs, headings, images, galleries, lists, and more are represented as individual blocks. Block toolbar. Each block has its own toolbar with options to edit, move, duplicate, and delete the block. Block settings. Additional settings for each block can be found in the sidebar on the right-hand side of the editor. Reusable blocks. You can save blocks or groups of blocks as reusable blocks to use them across different posts and pages. Switching to the classic editor. If you prefer the old editor or classic editor, you can install the classic editor plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. This plugin restores the previous WordPress editor and disables the Gutenberg editor. Writing and editing posts in WordPress is flexible and intuitive. Whether you prefer the Gutenberg editor's block-based approach or the traditional classic editor, you can experiment with different content formats and styles to create engaging and compelling posts for your audience. Using categories and tags. Categories and tags are essential for organizing and classifying your content effectively in WordPress. Categories are hierarchical, allowing you to create a structured hierarchy of topics or themes for your content. They serve as broad classifications for your posts, helping visitors navigate your site and find related content easily. Tags, on the other hand, are non-hierarchical and provide more granular details about your posts. They act as keywords or descriptors that describe specific topics, subjects, or elements within your content. When creating a new post, you can assign it to one or more categories and add relevant tags to provide additional context and help visitors discover related content. Categories and tags not only improve the navigation and usability of your site, but also help with SEO by organizing and indexing your content effectively for search engines. When using categories and tags, it's essential to maintain consistency and relevance to ensure that your content is properly organized and easy to navigate for your audience. Managing media, images, videos, and audio. Managing media, including images, videos, and audio files in WordPress, is crucial for enhancing your content and engaging your audience effectively. Uploading media. Navigate to Media and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Drag and drop files into the uploader or click the Select Files button to upload media from your computer. Once uploaded, you can add titles, captions, alt text, and descriptions to your media files for better accessibility and SEO. Inserting media into posts or pages. When creating or editing a post or page, place your cursor where you want to insert the media. Click the Add Media button above the editor. Select the media file you want to insert from the media library or upload a new file. Adjust the display settings such as alignment, size, and link settings as needed. Click the Insert into Post button to add the media to your content. Organizing media. The media library allows you to view, filter, and manage all your media files in one place. You can organize media by date, type, and keyword using the search and filter options. Create folders or use categories and tags to organize media files into logical groups for easier management and retrieval. Editing media. You can edit images directly within WordPress using the built-in image editor. Click on an image in the media library to open the attachment details. From here, you can crop, rotate, scale, and resize images, as well as adjust brightness, contrast, and other settings. Save your changes to update the image in your content. Embedding media from external sources. WordPress supports embedding media from external sources like YouTube, Vimeo, SoundCloud, and more. Simply paste the URL of the media file into the editor, and WordPress will automatically embed it for you. You can adjust the display settings and size of the embedded media using the Embed Block options. Optimizing media for performance. Optimize your media files for web performance by resizing them to appropriate dimensions and compressing them to reduce file size. Use image optimization plugins or services to automatically optimize images for faster loading times and better user experience. Consider lazy loading images to defer off-screen images, improving page load times and reducing bandwidth usage. By effectively managing your media files in WordPress, you can create visually appealing and engaging content that captures your audience's attention and enhances their overall experience on your site. 6. Customizing your site. Customizing your site in WordPress allows you to personalize its appearance and functionality to better suit your needs and preferences. Introduction to widgets. Widgets in WordPress are small blocks of content or functionality that can be added to various areas of your site, such as sidebars, footers, or widgetized areas. They allow you to easily add features and customize the layout and functionality of your site without having to write any code. Widgets can perform a variety of functions, including displaying recent posts, archives, categories, tag clouds, custom menus, search bars, social media links, text, images, and more. You can mix and match widgets to create unique layouts and enhance the user experience on your site. To add or manage widgets, navigate to Appearance and then Widgets in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of available widgets on the left and a list of widget areas or sidebars on the right. Simply drag and drop widgets into the desired widget area to add them to your site. Widgets can be further customized with options specific to each widget, such as titles, content, appearance settings, and more. You can also rearrange widgets within a widget area or remove them altogether if you no longer need them. Customizing widgets and sidebars. Customizing widgets and sidebars in WordPress allows you to tailor your site's layout and functionality to meet your specific needs. Here's how to do it. Accessing widget customization. Log in to your WordPress dashboard. Then you navigate to Appearance and then Widgets. Adding widgets to sidebars. On the widgets page, you'll see a list of available widgets on the left and a list of widget areas or sidebars on the right. To add a widget to a sidebar, simply drag and drop the widget from the Available Widgets section to the desired widget area on the right. Alternatively, you can click on the widget and select the target sidebar from the drop-down menu, followed by clicking the Add Widget button. Customizing widgets. Once a widget is added to a sidebar, you can customize its settings by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the widget title. Depending on the widget, you may be able to configure options such as title, content, appearance, and behavior. Make the desired changes and click the Save or Done button to apply the modifications. Rearranging widgets. To rearrange widgets within a sidebar, simply drag and drop them to the desired position. WordPress supports a flexible drag and drop interface, allowing you to reorder widgets easily. Removing widgets. To remove a widget from a sidebar, click on the widget title to expand its settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the settings panel and click on the Delete or Remove button. Alternatively, you can drag the widget back to the Available Widgets section to remove it from the sidebar. Creating custom widget areas. Some WordPress themes allow you to create custom widget areas or sidebars. If your theme supports this feature, navigate to Appearance and then Widgets and look for a section labeled Custom Widget Areas or Custom Sidebars. Here you can create new widget areas by entering a name for the sidebar and clicking the Create or Add button. Once created, you can add widgets to these custom widget areas just like you would with default sidebars. By customizing widgets and sidebars, you can enhance the layout, functionality, and user experience of your WordPress site to better meet your needs and preferences. Experiment with different widgets and sidebar configurations to find the setup that works best for your site. Using plugins to extend functionality. Plugins are essential for extending the functionality of your WordPress site. They add new features, enhance existing ones, and offer solutions for various needs without requiring coding knowledge. Here's how to leverage plugins effectively. Access the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard to browse and install plugins from the official WordPress plugin directory or third-party sources. Once installed, activate the plugins to enable their functionality. Explore the vast array of plugins available, covering categories such as SEO, security, performance optimization, e-commerce, social media integration, contact forms, and more. Use the search bar or browse by category to find plugins that meet your specific requirements. Install only the plugins you need to avoid bloating your site and impacting performance. Evaluate each plugin based on its ratings, reviews, update frequency, compatibility with your WordPress version and theme, and developer support. Regularly update your plugins to ensure they remain compatible with the latest WordPress version and receive security patches and bug fixes. You can update plugins individually or in bulk from the Plugins section. Deactivate and delete unused plugins to streamline your site's performance and reduce potential security vulnerabilities. Keep your plugin list organized and manageable by regularly reviewing and removing unnecessary plugins. Consider premium or freemium plugins for advanced features, dedicated support, and additional customization options. Evaluate the cost-effectiveness and benefits of premium plugins compared to their free alternatives. Be cautious when installing plugins from third-party sources, as they may contain malicious code or security vulnerabilities. Stick to reputable sources and perform thorough research before installing plugins from unfamiliar sources. Test plugins on a staging or development site before deploying them to your live site to ensure compatibility and avoid disruptions to your site's functionality. By leveraging plugins effectively, you can enhance your WordPress site's functionality, improve user experience, and achieve your website goals more efficiently. Experiment with different plugins and configurations to find the combination that best suits your needs. 7. Advanced Content Management. Advanced content management in WordPress involves optimizing your workflow, organizing content effectively, and leveraging advanced features and tools to create, publish, and manage content efficiently. To optimize your workflow, streamline your content creation process by defining clear roles and responsibilities for team members, setting deadlines, and establishing an editorial calendar. Use collaborative tools and plugins to facilitate communication and collaboration among team members, such as editorial comments, task assignments, and content approval workflows. Consider using project management tools or services to manage content projects, track progress, and ensure timely delivery of content. Organize your content beyond the default post and page types by utilizing custom post types, taxonomies, and custom fields. This allows you to tailor content structures to specific content types, such as portfolios, testimonials, events, or products. Implement content hierarchies and taxonomies, such as categories and tags, to classify and categorize content logically and make it easier for users to navigate and discover related content. Create content silos or topic clusters to interlink related content and improve SEO by establishing topical authority and relevance. Enable content versioning and revisions to track changes made to content over time and revert to previous versions if needed. Use revision control plugins to manage and limit the number of revisions stored in the database to prevent database bloat and optimize performance. Automate content publication by scheduling content in advance to maintain a consistent publishing schedule and maximize audience engagement. Use the built-in scheduling feature in WordPress to publish posts automatically at predetermined dates and times. Consider using editorial calendar plugins or services to visualize and manage your content schedule, track deadlines, and coordinate publishing across multiple channels. Leverage dynamic content and personalization techniques to deliver tailored content experiences to your audience based on their interests, behavior, location, or other relevant factors. Use plugins or solutions that offer content recommendations, related posts, or personalized content blocks to increase engagement and retention. By implementing these advanced content management strategies and leveraging WordPress's flexible features and ecosystem of plugins and tools, you can optimize your content workflow, enhance user experience, and achieve your content goals more effectively. Experiment with different techniques and tools to find the approach that works best for your site and audience. Creating and managing custom post types. Creating and managing custom post types in WordPress expands the range of content beyond default posts and pages. To begin, install a plugin like Custom Post Type UI, or add code snippets to your theme's functions.php file to define custom post types. Register the post type with details like labels, options, and capabilities. After creation, custom post types are managed alongside regular posts and pages in the WordPress dashboard. They can be added, edited, and deleted similarly. Customize the archive and single post templates by creating template files in your theme's directory. Use categories, tags, and custom taxonomies to organize and classify custom post type entries. For advanced customizations, employ custom fields and meta boxes to add extra content. Implement custom taxonomies for further organization. Craft custom templates and template parts to control display and layout. Utilize custom queries and filters to retrieve and display entries in specific ways, such as by category or custom field value. Using custom fields. Using custom fields in WordPress allows you to add additional metadata to your posts, pages, and custom post types, enabling you to create more complex and personalized content. To begin, navigate to the post or page where you want to add custom fields. In the WordPress dashboard, open the editor for that content. If you don't see the custom fields section, you might need to enable it by clicking on the Screen Options tab at the top right of the screen and checking the Custom Fields box. Once the Custom Fields section is visible, you can start adding fields. Enter a name for your custom field in the Name field and the desired value in the Value field. Then click the Add Custom Field button. Repeat this process for any additional fields you need. To display the custom field data on the front end of your site, you will need to modify your theme's template files. Open the relevant template file, such as single.php or page.php, and use the getPostMetal function to retrieve and display the custom field values. For example, use echo getPostMeta post to ID custom field name true to display the value of a custom field named custom_field_name. Custom fields can also be managed and displayed using plugins like Advanced Custom Fields, which provides a more user-friendly interface and additional options for creating and managing custom fields. Advanced Custom Fields allows you to create various types of custom fields, such as text, image, checkbox, and more, and provide easy-to-use functions for displaying these fields in your templates. By using custom fields, you can add and manage additional metadata for your content, allowing for greater flexibility and customization. This enables you to create more dynamic and personalized content that meets the specific needs of your site and its users. Experiment with different custom field configurations to enhance your content and provide a richer user experience. Implementing shortcodes. Implementing shortcodes in WordPress allows you to easily add complex content or functionality to your posts, pages, and widgets without writing extensive code each time. Shortcodes are simple placeholders that WordPress replaces with the specified content or functionality when the page is rendered. Here's how to create and use them. Creating a shortcode. To create a shortcode, you need to add a custom function to your theme's function PHP file or in a custom plugin. This function defines what the shortcode does. After defining the function, you use the add_shortcode function to register the shortcode with WordPress. Using shortcodes in posts and pages. To use a shortcode, simply add it to the content editor of your post or page. For the example above, you would add greeting where you want the greeting message to appear. WordPress will process the shortcode and display the specified content when the post or page is viewed. Using shortcodes in widgets. Shortcodes can also be used in text widgets. To do this, add the shortcode to a text widget in the widget area. WordPress will process the shortcode and display the content in the widget area. Creating complex shortcodes. For more complex shortcodes, you can include additional logic, HTML, and even output other shortcodes within your custom function. This allows you to build powerful, reusable components for your site. Shortcode best practices. When creating shortcodes, follow best practices to ensure compatibility and security. Always sanitize user input using functions like ESC_HTML to prevent security vulnerabilities. Keep shortcode functions modular and focused on a single task to maintain readability and ease of maintenance. By implementing shortcodes, you can add powerful and reusable functionality to your WordPress site, enhancing both content creation and site management. Experiment with different shortcodes to streamline your workflow and improve the user experience on your site. 8. Design and layout. Design and layout are crucial aspects of your WordPress site, significantly impacting user experience and engagement. Using the block editor or Gutenberg. The block editor, known as Gutenberg, revolutionized content creation in WordPress by introducing a modular approach to designing and managing content. Here's how to use the block editor effectively. Understanding the block editor. The block editor allows you to create content using individual blocks, each with specific functionality. Blocks can be paragraphs, images, galleries, videos, headings, quotes, lists, and more. This modular system provides flexibility and control over your content layout. Creating and editing content. To create a new post or page, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and select Posts and then Add New, or Pages and then Add New. You will be presented with a blank canvas where you can start adding blocks. Click the plus button to add a new block and choose from the various block types available. Using common blocks. Paragraph block. Ideal for regular text content. Type directly into the block to add your text. Image block. Allows you to upload or select images from your media library. You can also add alt text, captions, and adjust image alignment. Heading block. Use this to add headings and subheadings, which are important for structuring your content and improving SEO. List block. Perfect for creating ordered and unordered lists. Quote block. Ideal for highlighting quotes or testimonials. Customizing blocks. Each block comes with its own set of customization options accessible from the block toolbar and the settings sidebar. You can change text alignment, font size, color, background color, and more. For instance, with an image block, you can adjust the image size, add a link, and set alignment. Rearranging blocks. You can easily rearrange blocks by clicking the up or down arrows on the block toolbar or by dragging and dropping blocks to the desired position. This flexibility allows you to structure your content exactly how you want it. Using advanced blocks. Columns block. Create multi-column layouts to organize content side by side. Media and text block. Combines media, images, or videos with text, allowing for visually appealing content sections. Cover block. Adds a full width or fixed background image with text overlay. Great for headers or section separators. Embedding content. The block editor supports embedding content from various external sources, such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Use the appropriate embed block and paste the URL to display the embedded content directly within your post or page. Reusable blocks. If you have content blocks that you use frequently, you can save them as reusable blocks. Select the block, click the three-dot menu, and choose Add to Reusable Blocks. You can then insert this block into any post or page, saving time and ensuring consistency. Tips for effective use. Preview your content. Always preview your post or page to see how it will look to visitors. Use the preview button to check your design and layout. Experiment with different blocks. Explore the wide variety of blocks available to find the ones that best suit your content needs. Stay updated. Keep your WordPress installation up to date to benefit from the latest features and improvements in the block editor. By leveraging the block editor, you can create visually appealing and well-structured content with ease, enhancing the overall user experience on your WordPress site. Page builders, Elementor, Beaver Builder, etc. Page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, and other similar tools provide a more intuitive drag-and-drop interface for designing and customizing WordPress pages. These tools offer advanced customization options beyond what the standard block editor provides. Here's how to use some of the popular page builders. Elementor. Elementor is one of the most popular page builders due to its ease of use, flexibility, and wide range of features. It allows you to create complex layouts visually and see the changes in real time. To get started, install and activate Elementor by navigating to the Plugins section of your WordPress dashboard, searching for Elementor and activating it. Create a new page by going to Pages and then Add New, and click Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. Using Elementor involves adding elements by dragging and dropping widgets from the Elementor panel on the left onto your page. Widgets include text, images, buttons, videos, maps, and more. Each widget has its own customization options, accessible by clicking on the widget to adjust content, style, and advanced settings. Create sections to structure your page layout and add columns within sections to organize content horizontally. You can resize columns by dragging their edges. Use pre-designed templates from the Elementor library to jumpstart your design process, which can include full pages or individual sections. Customize how your page looks on different devices, desktop, tablet, mobile, using Elementor's responsive editing tools. Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is another powerful and user-friendly page builder. It offers a front-end editing experience that is known for its stability and clean code. To start with Beaver Builder, install and activate it from the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Create a new page by going to Pages and then Add New, and click Launch Beaver Builder to start the editing process. Using Beaver Builder involves adding modules by dragging and dropping them from the Beaver Builder panel onto your page. Modules include text, images, sliders, galleries, and more. Customize each module by clicking on it to open its settings panel, where you can adjust content, style, and advanced options. Use rows to structure your page layout and add columns within rows to create multi-column layouts. Adjust the width of columns by dragging their edges. Access a variety of pre-designed templates that can be used to create pages quickly, and customize these templates to fit your needs. Ensure your design looks great on all devices using Beaver Builder's responsive editing features. Other popular page builders. Divi by Elegant Themes is a highly popular page builder with a visual editor. It offers a range of modules, templates, and an intuitive interface. WP Bakery, formerly known as a Visual Composer, is a versatile page builder that offers both front-end and back-end editing, providing a wide range of content elements and templates. Thrive Architect is designed for conversion-focused websites, offering a range of elements optimized for building landing pages, sales pages, and opt-in forms. Best practices for using page builders. Choose the right tool that fits your design needs and skill level, considering factors like ease of use, available features, and community support. While page builders offer many customization options, avoid overloading your pages with too many elements, which can impact site performance. Use consistent styles and layouts across your site to maintain a cohesive look and feel. Always check how your designs look on different devices to ensure a good user experience. Regularly back up your site before making significant changes to avoid data loss in case of issues. By using page builders like Elementor, Beaver Builder, and others, you can create professional, custom-designed WordPress pages without needing advanced coding skills, greatly enhancing the visual appeal and functionality of your website. Customizing the header and footer. Customizing the header and footer of your WordPress site is essential for creating a cohesive and professional look. Here's how you can customize these key areas. Customizing the header. The header of your website typically contains elements like your logo, navigation menu, and sometimes contact information or social media links. To customize the header, navigate to the WordPress dashboard and go to Appearance and then Customize. This opens the Theme Customizer, where you can see real-time changes. In the customizer, look for options like Site Identity or Header. Here you can upload your logo, set the site title and tagline, and often manage other header elements. Some themes offer additional settings such as header layout options, colors, and background images. If your theme supports it, you can use a page builder like Elementor or Beaver Builder to customize your header. For Elementor, go to Templates and then Theme Builder and select Header. Create a new header template and design it using Elementor's drag and drop interface. Save and publish your header. Then set the conditions to specify where the header should appear on your site. For advanced customizations, you can modify the header.php file in your theme. Go to Appearance and then Theme Editor and select the header.php file. Be cautious when editing this file, as changes can affect the entire site. You might add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to achieve specific designs. Customizing the footer. The footer usually contains copyright information, additional navigation links, and widgets like recent posts or social media feeds. In the theme customizer, look for a footer section. Here, you can typically edit footer text, layout, and colors. Some themes offer multiple footer widget areas where you can add various widgets from the Appearance and then Widgets section. For Elementor, go to Templates and then Theme Builder and select Footer. Create a new footer template and design it with Elementor's tools. Save and publish the footer, then set the display conditions. To customize the footer with widgets, go to Appearance and then Widgets. Here you can drag and drop widgets into the footer widget areas provided by your theme. Common widgets include text, custom HTML, recent posts, and social media icons. To make more specific changes, edit the footer.php file in your theme. Navigate to Appearance and then Theme Editor and select the footer.php file. You can add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to customize the footer further. Be cautious with these changes to avoid site-wide issues. Best practices. Ensure that the header and footer design match the overall style of your site for a cohesive look. Make sure the navigation menu in the header is easy to use and accessible. Check that your customizations look good on all devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Avoid cluttering the header and footer with too many elements to maintain a clean and professional appearance. Always back up your site before making significant changes, especially when editing theme files directly. By customizing the header and footer, you can create a unique and professional appearance that enhances user experience and supports your brand identity. 9. Managing users and permissions. Managing users and permissions in WordPress is crucial for maintaining site security and ensuring that each user has appropriate access to the site's features. Understanding user roles and permissions. Understanding user roles and permissions in WordPress is essential for managing access and maintaining security. WordPress comes with predefined roles, each with specific capabilities. Here's an overview of the default roles and how to manage them. Administrator. The administrator role has complete access to all administrative features and functions in WordPress. Administrators can add and manage other users, install and activate themes and plugins, and make site-wide changes. This role should be assigned only to trusted individuals. Editor. The editor role allows users to manage and publish posts, including those created by other users. Editors can also manage categories, tags, and comments. They do not have access to site settings, themes, or plugins. Author. Authors can write, edit, and publish their own posts. They cannot edit or delete posts written by other users and do not have access to administrative functions like managing themes and plugins. Contributor. Contributors can write and edit their own posts but cannot publish them. They need an editor or administrator to review and publish their content. Contributors do not have access to media uploads, so they cannot add images or other files to their posts. Subscriber. Subscribers can only manage their own profile. They have no capabilities to write or manage posts. This role is typically used for sites with membership or subscription-based access where users need to log in to view certain content. Customizing user roles. For more control over user permissions, you can use plugins like User Role Editor or Members. These plugins allow you to customize existing roles or create new roles with specific capabilities tailored to your site's needs. Assigning roles. To assign a role to a new user, go to Users and then Add New in your WordPress dashboard. Fill in the user's details and select the appropriate role from the drop-down menu. Click Add New User to save. For existing users, go to Users and then All Users. Find the user you want to edit and change their role using the drop-down menu in their profile. Managing user permissions. Regularly review and update user roles to ensure that permissions are appropriate for each user's responsibilities. Remove access for users who no longer need it and periodically audit user roles to maintain site security. Understanding and managing user roles and permissions helps protect your WordPress site from unauthorized access and ensures that users have the necessary access to perform their tasks effectively. Adding and managing users. Adding and managing users in WordPress is crucial for collaborative websites or those with multiple contributors. Here's how to do it. Adding users. 1. Navigate to Users. Access your WordPress dashboard and go to Users and select Add New. 2. Fill in user details. Enter the new user's username, email address, and a strong password. Optionally, fill in other details like first name, last name, and website. 3. Set user role. Choose a role for the new user from the drop-down menu. The available roles include administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. The role defines the user's permissions on the site. 4. Send notification. Opt to send an email notification to the new user with login details by checking the box. 5. Click Add New User. Once you've filled in the required information, click the Add New User button to create the user account. Managing users. 1. View all users. To see a list of all users on your site, go to Users and then All Users in the WordPress dashboard. 2. Edit user details. Hover over a user to reveal options like Edit, Delete, and View. Clicking Edit allows you to modify the user's details, including username, email address, and role. 3. Change user role. You can change a user's role by editing their profile. Select the desired role from the drop-down menu next to Role and click the Update User button to save the changes. 4. Remove users. To remove a user, hover over their name in the user list and click Delete. WordPress will ask for confirmation before deleting the user account. Best practices. Assign appropriate roles. Assign roles based on each user's responsibilities and level of access needed. Regularly review users. Periodically review your list of users to ensure it remains up to date and remove any inactive or unnecessary accounts. Ensure strong passwords. Encourage users to use strong, unique passwords to enhance security. Educate users. Provide guidance to users on their roles and responsibilities to ensure they understand how to use the site effectively and securely. By effectively managing users in WordPress, you can maintain site security, control access to sensitive areas, and facilitate collaboration among contributors. Best practices for user management. When managing users in WordPress, adhering to best practices ensures smooth operation, security, and efficient collaboration. Here are some key practices to consider. Assign appropriate roles. Assign roles according to users' responsibilities and required access levels. Be cautious with administrator roles, granting full control over the site. Regularly review users. Periodically review the user list to ensure it's up to date. Remove inactive or unnecessary accounts to mitigate security risks. Ensure strong passwords. Encourage users to employ strong, unique passwords to bolster security. Consider implementing a password policy with minimum requirements. Educate users. Offer guidance on users' roles and responsibilities within the WordPress site. Provide training or documentation for effective and secure site usage. Enable two-factor authentication. Implement two-factor authentication for added security. Plugins like Google Authenticator or Authy can enforce this authentication method. Limit plugin and theme access. Restrict plugin and theme installation or activation to trusted users. only grant access to those who require such functionality for their role. Use role-based access control plugins. Leverage role-based access control plugins such as User Role Editor or Members to tailor user roles and permissions precisely. Monitor user activity. Utilize plugins or security tools to monitor user actions on the site. Watch for suspicious behavior or unauthorized access attempts. Backup regularly. Regularly back up your WordPress site to safeguard against data loss in case of security breaches or system failures. Store backups off-site for added security. Stay informed. Stay abreast of WordPress security best practices, vulnerabilities, and security updates. Subscribe to WordPress security blogs or mailing lists for timely updates and recommendations. By integrating these practices into your user management approach, you can efficiently manage users in WordPress while upholding the security and integrity of your website. 10. SEO and marketing. SEO, or search engine optimization, and marketing are vital components for driving traffic, increasing visibility, and growing your online presence. Introduction to SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. By enhancing various aspects of your site, you can attract more organic, non-paid traffic and increase your online presence. Here's an introduction to SEO and its key components. Understanding SEO. SEO aims to enhance your website's visibility on search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, increasing the likelihood of attracting relevant visitors to your site. It primarily focuses on generating organic traffic, which refers to visitors who find your site through unpaid search engine results. Additionally, SEO involves optimizing your website to provide a better user experience, including faster loading times, mobile responsiveness, and easy navigation. Key components of SEO. On-page SEO involves optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic. It includes optimizing content, meta tags, headings, URL structure, and internal linking. Off-page SEO refers to activities performed outside your website to improve its search engine rankings, such as building backlinks from authoritative websites, social media engagement, and online reputation management. Technical SEO focuses on optimizing the technical aspects of your website to improve its crawlability, indexability, and overall performance. This includes tasks like optimizing site speed, fixing broken links, implementing schema markup, and creating XML sitemaps. High-quality, relevant content is crucial for SEO success. Content should be informative, engaging, and tailored to meet the needs of your target audience. Keyword research helps identify the terms and phrases your target audience is searching for, allowing you to target relevant keywords in your content and attract more organic traffic. Benefits of SEO. SEO helps your website rank higher in search engine results, making it more visible to potential visitors. Improved rankings lead to increased organic traffic, resulting in more visitors to your site. Websites that appear at the top of search results are often perceived as more credible and trustworthy by users. Compared to paid advertising, SEO offers a cost-effective way to attract traffic and generate leads over the long term. SEO plays a crucial role in improving your website's visibility, attracting organic traffic, and enhancing your online presence. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can achieve better search engine rankings and reach your target audience more effectively. Using SEO plugins, e.g. Yoast SEO. Utilizing SEO plugins such as Yoast SEO is a common strategy to streamline and optimize your website's SEO efforts. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to effectively leverage these plugins. Installing Yoast SEO. Access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Search for Yoast SEO in the plugin repository and install it. Once installed, activate the plugin. Configuring Yoast SEO. Upon activation, Yoast SEO will guide you through its general settings configuration wizard. Configure essential settings such as your website's name, type, and visibility preferences. Verify your website with search engines like Google and Bing using Yoast SEO's built-in Webmaster Tools verification feature. Customizing settings. Customize titles, meta descriptions, and XML sitemaps for your website's content. Use Yoast SEO's snippet preview feature to visualize how your content will appear in search engine results. Optimize your content for readability and keyword usage using Yoast SEO's built-in analysis tools. Social integration. Integrate Yoast SEO with social media platforms to set custom titles, descriptions, and images for social media shares. This ensures your content looks engaging and compelling when shared on social media channels. Ongoing optimization. Continuously optimize your content using Yoast SEO's content analysis features. Monitor your website's performance, including keyword rankings and organic traffic, using Yoast SEO's built-in analytics tools. Keep the plugin and other plugins up to date to ensure compatibility with the latest WordPress versions and security patches. By leveraging SEO plugins like Yoast SEO, you can streamline and optimize your website's SEO efforts, improve its visibility in search engine results, and attract more organic traffic. Content marketing strategies. Developing effective content marketing strategies involves several key steps. Understanding your audience. Conduct thorough research to understand your target audience's demographics, preferences, interests, and pain points. Create detailed buyer personas representing your ideal customers. Setting clear goals. Define objectives for your content marketing efforts, such as increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Set SMART goals to track progress and measure success. Creating valuable content. Develop a comprehensive content strategy outlining the types of content you'll create, the topics you'll cover, and how you'll distribute and promote your content. Focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. SEO integration. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant topics and phrases your audience is searching for. Optimize your content for these keywords to improve visibility and organic traffic. Use on-page optimization techniques and SEO plugins like Yoast SEO to assist with optimization efforts. Content distribution and promotion. Distribute your content across multiple channels, including your website, social media platforms, email newsletters, and industry publications. Implement promotional strategies to amplify your content's reach, such as social media advertising, influencer partnerships, and collaboration with industry influencers. Engagement and interaction. Encourage audience interaction by asking questions, soliciting feedback, and responding to comments and messages promptly. Leverage user-generated content to build trust and credibility with your audience. Performance measurement and optimization. Use analytics tools to track the performance of your content marketing efforts. Monitor key metrics such as website traffic, engagement, conversion rates, and ROI. Continuously analyze data and insights to identify areas for improvement and optimize your content strategy over time. By following these steps and implementing effective content marketing strategies, you can attract, engage, and convert your target audience, ultimately driving business growth and success. Social media integration. Integrating social media into your content marketing strategy is essential for expanding your reach, engaging with your audience, and driving traffic to your website. Here's how to effectively integrate social media into your content marketing efforts. Understanding your audience. Identify which social media platforms your target audience frequents the most. Tailor your content and messages to align with the preferences and behavior of your audience on each platform. Creating shareable content. Develop high-quality, engaging content that is shareable on social media. This includes blog posts, videos, infographics, and interactive content that resonates with your audience and encourages them to share it with their networks. Optimizing for social sharing. Optimize your website and content for social sharing by including social sharing buttons on your blog posts and website pages. Make it easy for visitors to share your content with their followers on social media. Consistent branding. Maintain consistent branding across all your social media profiles to reinforce your brand identity and messaging. Use the same logo, colors, and tone of voice to create a cohesive brand experience for your audience. Cross-promotion. Cross-promote your content across different social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Share links to your blog posts, videos, and other content on all your social media channels to drive traffic back to your website. Engagement and interaction. Actively engage with your audience on social media by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Encourage conversations and foster relationships with your followers to build trust and loyalty. Hashtag strategy. Use relevant hashtags in your social media posts to increase their visibility and reach. Research popular hashtags in your industry and include them strategically in your posts to attract a larger audience. Analyzing performance. Use social media analytics tools to track the performance of your social media posts and campaigns. Monitor key metrics such as engagement, reach, and clicks to assess the effectiveness of your social media integration efforts. Iterative improvement. Continuously analyze data and insights to identify areas for improvement and optimize your social media strategy over time. Experiment with different types of content, posting frequencies, and messaging to see what resonates best with your audience. By effectively integrating social media into your content marketing strategy, you can amplify your reach, increase engagement, and drive traffic to your website, ultimately helping you achieve your marketing goals. 11. E-commerce with WordPress. E-commerce with WordPress allows you to create and manage an online store efficiently. Introduction to WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a robust e-commerce plugin designed for WordPress websites, seamlessly integrating online store functionality into your existing site. Here's an overview of WooCommerce's key features. Seamless integration. WooCommerce seamlessly integrates with your WordPress website, providing e-commerce capabilities without altering your site's design or structure. Customizability. With WooCommerce, you have extensive customization options, allowing you to tailor your online store to suit your specific requirements. You can customize product pages, checkout processes, and store designs using themes and extensions. Product management. Easily manage your products within WooCommerce. You can add new products, set pricing and inventory levels, create product variations, and organize products into categories and tags. Order management. WooCommerce offers robust order management tools, enabling you to efficiently view process and fulfill orders. You can track order statuses, send notifications to customers, and generate reports for sales analysis. Payment options. WooCommerce supports a wide range of payment gateways, ensuring secure payment processing for customers worldwide. Popular gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and Square are supported out of the box. Shipping options. Set up flexible shipping options with WooCommerce. Define shipping zones, calculate shipping costs based on weight or destination, and offer flat rate or free shipping to customers. Extensibility. WooCommerce is highly extensible, featuring a vast ecosystem of plugins and extensions. You can enhance your online store with additional features such as subscription services, membership programs, and product bundles. SEO friendly. WooCommerce is optimized for search engines, helping your products rank higher in search results. You can optimize product pages for SEO, create SEO-friendly URLs, and generate XML sitemaps for improved visibility. Analytics and reporting. WooCommerce provides built-in analytics and reporting tools, allowing you to track sales, revenue, and customer behavior. Gain valuable insights into your store's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize your e-commerce strategy. Community support. With an active community of users and developers, WooCommerce offers extensive documentation, tutorials, and forums for support. Get answers to your questions and connect with other e-commerce professionals to share knowledge and best practices. Setting up your online store. Setting up your online store with WooCommerce involves a series of straightforward steps. Install WooCommerce plugin. Begin by installing the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. You can find it in the WordPress plugin repository and install it directly from your dashboard. Activate WooCommerce. Once installed, activate the plugin on your website. Follow the setup wizard to configure essential settings for your store. Configure general settings. Customize your store's location, currency, and measurement units in the WooCommerce settings dashboard. Also, adjust settings related to taxes, shipping, and checkout options. Add products. Create product listings by navigating to the Products tab in your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Add New. Include details like title, description, price, and images. Set up payment gateways. Configure payment gateways to accept payments from customers. Choose from options like PayPal, Stripe, Square, and others that suit your business needs. Configure shipping options. Define shipping zones, rates, and methods based on your business requirements. Offer flat rate shipping, free shipping, or calculate shipping costs based on weight or destination. Choose a theme. Select a WooCommerce compatible theme that aligns with your brand identity and offers the features you need. You can find themes in the WordPress repository or from third-party providers. Customize your store. Personalize your store's design and layout to create a unique shopping experience. Use built-in customization options or third-party plugins and extensions to enhance functionality. Test your store. Thoroughly test all aspects of your website, including product listings, checkout process, payment gateways, and shipping options. Ensure everything functions smoothly before launching. Launch your store. Once setup and testing are complete, launch your online store. Promote it through marketing channels like social media, email newsletters, and paid advertising to attract customers and drive sales. Following these steps will enable you to set up your online store with WooCommerce and begin selling products to customers worldwide. Managing products, orders, and payments. Efficiently managing products, orders, and payments is crucial for the smooth operation of your e-commerce store with WooCommerce. Here's how to handle these aspects effectively. Product management. Add products by accessing the Products tab in your WooCommerce dashboard. Include essential details like product name, description, price, and images. Organize products into categories and tags for easier navigation. Utilize attributes and variations to offer different options such as size or color. Monitor and manage inventory levels to prevent overselling. Set up stock notifications to alert you when inventory is running low. Control product visibility by setting them as published, draft, or private. Schedule product availability for specific dates if needed. Orders management. View incoming orders by navigating to the Orders tab in your WooCommerce dashboard. Review order details, customer information, and order status. Process orders promptly by updating their status based on their progress, e.g., processing, completed, on hold, or refunded. Keep customers informed about their order status by sending them automated order notifications. Customize email templates to include relevant information. Provide order tracking information to customers so they can monitor the status of their shipments. Utilize order tracking plugins or integrate with shipping carriers for efficiency. Payments management. Configure payment gateways to accept payments securely from customers. Choose from various options such as credit cards, PayPal, Stripe, etc. Process payments securely and efficiently using your chosen payment gateways. Verify payment details and confirm successful transactions to complete orders. Handle refunds and payment disputes professionally and promptly. Process refunds through your payment gateway and communicate with customers to resolve any issues. Implement security measures such as SSL encryption, PCI compliance, and other protocols to protect customer payment information and prevent fraud. By effectively managing products, orders, and payments with WooCommerce, you can streamline your e-commerce operations and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. 12. Site maintenance and security. Maintaining and securing your WordPress site is essential to ensure its smooth operation and protect it from security threats. Regular updates and backups. Regularly updating your WordPress site and creating backups are fundamental practices for maintaining its security and integrity. Here's how to effectively handle these tasks. Regular updates. Ensure your WordPress core software, themes, and plugins are always up to date. These updates often include security patches and bug fixes that protect your site from vulnerabilities. Theme updates. Keep custom or third-party themes updated to maintain compatibility with the latest version of WordPress and patch any security issues. Plugin updates. Regularly update all installed plugins to minimize the risk of security vulnerabilities being exploited. Backups. Create backups of your site, files, and database regularly to safeguard against data loss or corruption. Backup plugins. Utilize reliable backup plugins to automate the backup process and simplify the task. Offsite storage. Store backups in secure offsite locations, such as cloud storage services, to provide an extra layer of protection. Test backups. Regularly test backups to ensure they are complete and functional, allowing you to restore your site successfully in the event of a disaster. By staying diligent with regular updates and backups, you can minimize the risk of security breaches and data loss, ensuring the long-term stability and security of your WordPress site. Security best practices. To safeguard your WordPress site against potential threats and vulnerabilities, it's crucial to adhere to security best practices. Regular updates. Keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins up to date to patch security vulnerabilities and maintain compatibility with the latest versions. Strong passwords. Utilize unique, complex passwords for your WordPress admin account, FTP/SFTP, and database. Consider using a password manager for generating and storing secure passwords. Limit login attempts. Employ login attempt limiting to deter brute force attacks. Plugins such as WordFence or Limit Login Attempts Reloaded can restrict the number of login attempts. Enable two-factor authentication. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication, requiring users to provide a second form of verification, such as a code sent to their mobile device. Secure hosting environment. Opt for a reputable hosting provider offering security features like firewalls, malware scanning, and regular backups. Managed WordPress hosting can further enhance security. Use HTTPS. Secure your site with HTTPS by installing an SSL certificate to encrypt data transmitted between your site and users' browsers, safeguarding sensitive information. Limit user permissions. Grant necessary permissions based on user roles and avoid providing administrative privileges to users who don't require them, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Implement security plugins. Install security plugins like Sucuri Security, WordFence Security, or iThemes Security to enhance protection with features such as firewall protection, malware scanning, and security audits. Regularly backup your site. Create routine backups of your WordPress site and store them securely off-site to enable quick restoration in case of security breaches or data loss. Monitor site activity. Keep a vigilant watch on your site's activity logs for signs of suspicious behavior, such as unauthorized login attempts or file modifications. Security plugins can assist in monitoring and alerting you to potential threats. Adhering to these security best practices fortifies your WordPress site against security breaches, safeguarding sensitive data, and ensuring its uninterrupted operation. Handling spam and comments. Effectively managing spam and comments is crucial for maintaining the quality and integrity of your WordPress site. Here's how to handle spam and comments efficiently. 1. Use comment moderation. Enable comment moderation to review and approve comments before they appear on your site. This helps prevent spam comments from being published. 2. Install anti-spam plugins. Install anti-spam plugins like Akismet or Anti-Spam-Bee to automatically filter out spam comments. These plugins use algorithms to detect and block spam comments, reducing the manual effort required for moderation. 3. Require user registration. Require users to register or log in before they can leave comments. This adds an extra layer of authentication and helps prevent automated spam bots from flooding your site with spam comments. 4. Enable CAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA. Implement CAPTCHA or reCAPTCHA challenges on your comment forms to verify that the commenter is a human and not a bot. This helps reduce spam submissions by making it more difficult for automated bots to bypass the comment form. 5. Set comment limits. Limit the number of links allowed in comments or restrict the length of comments to discourage spammers from including links or posting lengthy spam messages. 6. Monitor comments regularly. Regularly monitor and review comments on your site to identify and remove any spam comments that may have slipped through the filters. Be proactive in moderating comments to maintain a positive user experience. 7. Use blacklists. Utilize comment blacklists to automatically block comments containing specific keywords or phrases commonly associated with spam. You can create custom blacklists or use predefined lists provided by anti-spam plugins. 8. Encourage genuine engagement. Foster genuine engagement by encouraging users to leave meaningful comments and participate in discussions. Engage with your audience and respond to comments to create a welcoming and interactive community. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage spam and comments on your WordPress site, maintaining its quality and fostering genuine engagement with your audience. 13. Performance optimization. Optimizing the performance of your WordPress site is essential for providing a fast and seamless user experience. Speeding up your WordPress site. Improving the speed of your WordPress site is crucial for enhancing user experience and search engine rankings. Here are some effective strategies. Optimize images. Compress and resize images before uploading them to reduce file sizes and improve loading times. Enable caching. Install a caching plugin to generate static HTML files and reduce server load for faster page loading. Minify CSS and JavaScript. Combine and minify CSS and JavaScript files to reduce HTTP requests and file sizes. Use a content delivery network. Distribute static content across multiple servers worldwide to reduce latency and speed up loading times. Optimize database. Regularly clean up and optimize your WordPress database to remove unnecessary data and improve performance. Enable gzip compression. Compress files before sending them to visitors' browsers to reduce file sizes and speed up loading times. Reduce server response time. Choose a fast hosting provider and optimize server configuration to minimize server response times. Lazy load images. Defer the loading of below-the-fold images until they are needed to improve initial page load times. Optimize WordPress settings. Disable or limit post revisions, reduce the number of active plugins, and optimize WordPress settings for improved performance. Monitor performance. Regularly monitor your site's performance using tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GT Metrics and make necessary optimizations to maintain fast loading times. Implementing these strategies will help improve the speed and performance of your WordPress site, providing a better user experience and potentially boosting search engine rankings. Caching solutions. Caching solutions are vital for enhancing the speed and performance of your WordPress site. Here are some options. WordPress caching plugins. Various plugins like WP Super Catch, W3 Total Catch, and WP Rocket generate static HTML files to reduce server load and improve loading times. Server-side caching. Hosting providers offer solutions like Varnish or Redis, caching dynamic content at the server level to speed up performance. Content delivery network. Content delivery networks like Cloudflare, Amazon CloudFront, and Akamai cache static content across global server networks, reducing latency. Browser caching. Enable browser caching to store static files locally and avoid re-downloading on subsequent visits. Object caching. Integrate WordPress with caching solutions like Memcached or Redis to store database query results and dynamic data in memory. Full page caching. Generate static HTML versions of entire pages to bypass PHP and database queries for faster loading times. Fragment caching. Cache specific dynamic sections of pages to reduce server load and improve performance. Implementing caching solutions improves site speed, enhances user experience, and may boost search engine rankings. Image optimization. Optimizing images for your WordPress site is essential for better performance and user experience. Choose the right format. Select JPEG for photographs, PNG for images with transparency or text, and SVG for simple graphics and logos. Resize images. Ensure images are resized to the correct dimensions before uploading to avoid unnecessarily large file sizes. Compress images. Reduce file size without compromising quality using compression tools or WordPress plugins. Optimize alt text. Add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility and provide context for search engines. Lazy loading. Defer image loading until needed to improve page loading times, especially for pages with many images. Enable WebP support. Use the WebP format in places where that is supported to further reduce image file sizes. Serve skilled images. Utilize responsive design to serve appropriately sized images based on device and screen size. Optimize image delivery. Use a CDN to serve images from servers closer to visitors, reducing latency. By implementing these image optimization techniques, you can enhance website performance and provide a smoother user experience for visitors to your WordPress site. 14. Troubleshooting common issues. Troubleshooting common issues is an integral part of managing a WordPress site. Common WordPress errors and fixes. Common WordPress errors can disrupt your site's functionality, but they're often fixable with the right approach. Here are some typical errors and how to fix them. 1. Internal server error. This generic error usually indicates a problem with your server. To fix it, Check your site's error logs for more details. Common causes include corrupted .htaccess files, PHP memory limit issues, or incompatible plugins or themes. 2. White screen of death. When your site displays a blank white screen, it's often due to PHP errors or memory limit issues. You can fix this by increasing the memory limit in your wp-config or config.php file, or deactivating problematic plugins or themes. 3. Error establishing a database connection. This error occurs when WordPress can't connect to your database. Check your database credentials in wp-config.php, ensure your database server is running, and repair your database using PHP myadmin if necessary. 4. 404 page not found. This error indicates that the requested page doesn't exist. You can fix it by resetting your permalink structure in Settings and then Permalinks, or by updating your .htaccess file. 5. Syntax error. If you see a syntax error message, it's usually due to a typo or syntax mistake in your code. Use an FTP client to access your site's files, locate the file mentioned in the error message, and correct the syntax error. 6. HTTP error when uploading images. This error occurs when WordPress fails to upload an image. You can fix it by increasing the upload file size limit in your php.ini file, or by disabling mod security in your server settings. 7. Too many redirects. This error happens when your site enters an infinite loop of redirects. You can fix it by checking your site's URL settings in Settings and then General, ensuring your SSL settings are correct, and checking for conflicting redirects in your .htaccess file. 8. Maintenance mode stuck. If your site gets stuck in maintenance mode after a failed update, you can fix it by deleting the .maintenance file in your WordPress root directory using an FTP client. By troubleshooting these common WordPress errors and applying the appropriate fixes, you can keep your site running smoothly and maintain a positive user experience. Debugging techniques. Debugging is an essential skill for WordPress users, allowing you to identify and fix issues efficiently. Here are some techniques. Enable wp_debug mode in your wp-config.php file to display PHP errors, notices, and warnings on your site. Review your site's error logs to identify any PHP errors or warnings that may not be displayed on the front end. Use browser developer tools to inspect your site for JavaScript errors, CSS issues, and network-related problems. Deactivate plugins and switch to a default theme to determine if a plugin or theme is causing the issue. Verify your server's PHP version, memory limit, and other settings to ensure they meet WordPress requirements. Inspect your WordPress database for any anomalies or corrupted data using PHP MyAdmin or a similar tool. Install and use debugging plugins like Query Monitor or Debug Bar to track database queries, HTTP requests, and PHP errors in real time. Seek help from the WordPress community by posting questions on forums like WordPress.org, support forums, or Stack Exchange. By mastering these debugging techniques, you'll be better equipped to identify and resolve issues quickly, ensuring your WordPress site remains stable and functional. Utilizing support resources. Effectively utilizing support resources is crucial for resolving issues and improving your WordPress experience. Here's how to make the most of available support. Official documentation. Refer to the official WordPress documentation, including the codex and the WordPress.org support forums. They provide comprehensive guides, tutorials, and solutions to common problems. Community forums. Engage with the WordPress community on forums like WordPress.org, Reddit's r/WordPress, or Stack Exchange. Post questions, seek advice, and share knowledge with other users and developers. Premium support. If you're using premium themes or plugins, take advantage of the support provided by the developers. Submit support tickets, browse knowledge bases, or participate in user forums to get assistance tailored to your specific products. WordPress meetups and events. Attend local WordPress meetups, WordCamps, or online webinars to network with other WordPress enthusiasts, learn from experts, and gain valuable insights into best practices and troubleshooting techniques. Online tutorials and courses. Explore online tutorials, courses, and video guides on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or YouTube. These resources cover a wide range of WordPress topics, from basic setup to advanced development techniques. Social media and groups. Join WordPress-related groups and communities on social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and ask for recommendations or assistance when needed. WordPress consultants and developers. Hire experienced WordPress consultants or developers for personalized assistance with complex issues or custom development projects. They can offer professional guidance, troubleshooting, and optimization services tailored to your specific needs. By leveraging these support resources effectively, you can overcome challenges, expand your knowledge, and maximize the potential of your WordPress site. 15. Advanced WordPress techniques. Advanced WordPress techniques allow you to take your website to the next level, implementing complex functionalities and optimizing performance. Custom theme development. Custom theme development in WordPress involves creating a unique design tailored to your needs. Start by planning your design, then create a theme folder and develop the HTML structure. Add style sheets, implement PHP functions, and integrate WordPress tags and functions for dynamic content. Customize theme options, test thoroughly, optimize performance, and provide documentation for users. This process allows you to create a custom theme that meets your design requirements and provides a seamless user experience. Creating child themes. Creating a child theme in WordPress involves customizing and extending an existing theme without altering its core files. Here's a step-by-step guide. Begin by making a new folder in the wp-content/themes directory for your child theme. Name it accordingly, typically as parent-theme-child. Inside this folder, create a style sheet file named style.css. In this file, provide essential information about your child theme, such as its name, description, author, version, etc. To inherit styles from the parent theme, enqueue the parent theme's style sheet in the child theme's style sheet. Use the add import rule to include the parent theme's style sheet. Once you've set up the style sheet, activate the child theme from the WordPress admin panel under Appearance and then Themes. WordPress will utilize the styles and functionality from the child theme while still referencing the parent theme for any unmodified files. Now, you can customize the child theme as needed by adding custom CSS styles, template files, functions, or any other modifications without altering the parent theme's files directly. Creating a child theme provides a safe way to customize your WordPress site without risking changes during theme updates. It also keeps your modifications separate from the parent theme, making maintenance and updates easier in the long run. WordPress multi-site. WordPress multi-site enables you to establish a network of multiple websites using a single WordPress installation. Here's an overview. Setup. Enable multi-site by editing your wp-config.php and .htaccess files. Then, create a network of sites from your WordPress dashboard. Network administration. As the network administrator, you have control over user management, site creation, and plugin or theme management across the entire network. Site creation. Users can create their own sites within the network, each with its own unique domain or subdomain. Domain mapping allows for custom domains for each site. Shared resources. Multi-site facilitates shared themes, plugins, and user accounts across all network sites, while still allowing each site to have its own settings and content. Centralized updates. Manage plugin, theme, and WordPress core updates centrally from the network admin dashboard, simplifying maintenance across multiple sites. User management. Multi-site offers centralized user management, allowing users to have different roles on different sites within the network. Scalability. Multi-site is scalable and supports a large number of sites within a single WordPress installation. making it suitable for organizations, universities, and large businesses. WordPress multi-sites streamlines the management of multiple websites, providing centralized administration and shared resources while allowing for individual site customization and control. 16. Conclusion. WordPress is a versatile platform that offers a wide range of features and functionalities to create and manage websites efficiently. From basic blogging to complex multi-site networks, WordPress caters to various needs and skills seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, WordPress provides the tools and resources to build and customize websites to your specifications. By understanding the basics of WordPress, including installation, customization, and content management, users can create professional-looking websites with ease. Additionally, advanced techniques such as custom theme development, plugin customization, and multi-site management offer further flexibility and customization options. Furthermore, WordPress's vibrant community, extensive documentation, and numerous support resources ensure that help is always available when needed. Whether it's troubleshooting common issues, seeking advice, or learning new techniques, the WordPress community is a valuable asset for users at all levels. In conclusion, WordPress remains a powerful and user-friendly platform for building websites of all types and sizes. With its intuitive interface, robust features, and extensive customization options, WordPress continues to be the platform of choice for millions of users worldwide. Whether you're creating a personal blog, business website, or online store, WordPress provides the tools and support you need to succeed. You have been listening to WordPress, a step-by-step beginner's guide, written by Phil Gilbert, narrated by Kevin Brooker.